This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents, school ID, SSN or ITIN, and contact info. Open the Discover It student page and choose the student card application. Complete personal fields accurately. Once done, double-check names, spelling, and address so verification goes smoothly. Make sure to set a target credit limit and a monthly budget goal now. That way you apply with intent and avoid maxing the card later. This first step minimizes delays and prevents a pending decision due to missing data. Next, you fill in financial details. Income, expected graduation year, and any employer info. Be honest about part-time work or parental support. Choose paperless statements and create a secure username and password. Enable two-step verification if available. Review APRA, the 0% intro if any, cashback categories, and minimum payment terms. Once submitted, watch for instant decision or an email requesting more documents. Respond promptly to speed approval and avoid a hard inquiry lingering. When your physical card arrives, activate it by phone or online and sign the back. Then set up autopay for at least the minimum due to avoid late fees. Use the card for predictable, small recurring purchases to build credit history and earn cash back. Make every effort to pay the full statement each month to avoid interest and grow score. If your application is denied, request reconsideration, provide any missing documents, or discuss a cosigner option with Discover. That usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.